Two popular airlines, two distinct approaches, Southwest and Alaska Airlines. Which one really delivers? On one side, Southwest Airlines, reliable routes and friendly skies. On the other, Alaska Airlines, punctual flights and premium journeys. Let's skip marketing slogans and dig into what really matters for your travel. Each category scores points, and by the end, you'll know exactly which airline comes out ahead. The result may surprise frequent flyers, so watch closely. All right, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's see what we're actually going to compare. I've got this mind map with all the categories: reliability and on-time performance, cost and fees, customer experience, network and destinations, safety record, and loyalty program. Yeah, we're really hitting every angle, so you'll know what matters most to you. Let's start with reliability and on-time performance. First up, Southwest Airlines. So they've got some pretty solid stats. Really low cancellation rates, just 0.6% in June 2025, which is honestly impressive. And last year, 82% of flights landed on time. But there's a little caveat. Their punctuality had a slight dip since 2024. Not a huge deal, but worth mentioning if you're planning tight connections. Now, Alaska Airlines. They clock in at a 79.45% on-time rate, which is super close, and they have this insane perk, the 20-minute baggage guarantee. Like, if your bag doesn't show up in 20 minutes, they'll compensate you. That's actually kind of wild, right? However, their cancellations sit a bit higher than Southwest, 1.38%. So, if you absolutely need your flight to go as planned, keep that in mind. But overall, Alaska edges this category out for going that extra mile, literally and figuratively. Moving over to cost and fees, Southwest has been the king of minimal add-on charges. Historically, you didn't pay for bags or silly extras, and their network covers way more of the U.S. than most airlines. But heads up for 2025, they're starting to roll back that bags fly free thing and tacking on some extra fees. Honestly, kind of stings. Now, Alaska Airlines. You'll find competitive fares, especially if you're hopping along the West Coast. They throw out decent deals for members, too. Downside? Their network is nowhere near as big as Southwest's. But for pure wallet-friendly options, and before those fees stack up, Southwest still takes the win here, even with those changes. Let's get into customer experience. With Southwest, the whole friendly, casual vibe is their thing. Super easy to rebook if plans change, which I'm sure we all appreciate. But they're scrapping open seating and the whole bags fly free thing, which fans aren't exactly loving. Plus, their overall experience ranks just 7th in the US. Not terrible, but not top tier. On the other hand, Alaska Airlines is just straight up crushing it this year. Family policies? Spot on. The travel experience got rave reviews, and they nabbed a big Apex 5-star rating for 2025. Okay, their economy seats might not be ultra-futuristic like JetBlue or Delta, but you're getting a premium feel even in standard cabins. So, yeah, Alaska definitely claims the victory for customer vibes. Oh, and here's something cool that most people miss. Alaska Airlines actually has a 20-minute baggage guarantee. If your bags aren't at the claim belt in under 20 minutes, you get compensated. Wild, right? Let's talk network and destinations. Southwest Network? It's massive, all over the U.S. Seriously, if you want to go somewhere random, there's a high chance Southwest got you covered. And they're planning to add new Caribbean and Alaska routes in 2026. Awesome. The catch, though? Don't expect too much international action. Alaska Airlines, meanwhile, is expanding quickly domestically, and there's some decent international growth coming out of Seattle. Think Seoul, Reykjavik, like who saw that coming? But it's not as widespread as Southwest in the US, so for pure coverage, Southwest holds the crown on this one. Now, on to safety record. First up, Southwest. No major passenger accidents since 2019, which is reassuring. Alaska Airlines, though, this one's kind of cool. They're ranked as the top US airline for safety by Airline rankings in 2025 and have 0 major incidents lately. So, while both are safe, Alaska gets the nod for the extra peace of mind. Let's wrap up with loyalty program. Southwest's Rapid Rewards gives you discounts, but compared to Alaska's mileage plan, it kind of falls short this year. Alaska's mileage plan is rated as the second best in the US for 2025, and they've got this Lounge Plus perk, so you can kick back in 61 airport clubs. For frequent flyers, that's a pretty sweet deal. Alaska wins this one hands down. Here's a quick radar chart to visualize how these airlines stack up. You'll see Southwest kinda dominates in cost and network coverage, while Alaska is just killing it in customer experience, loyalty, and safety. Nice and balanced. Or, well, depending on what you want. So, wrapping it up, if you just want cheap flights and freedom with where you fly, Southwest's your go-to. But if you're into premium experiences, loyalty perks, or need things to run like clockwork, especially with family, Alaska is tough to beat. Honestly, both are solid, but Alaska's edge in customer experience and bonus perks just makes it hard to ignore. If you found this comparison helpful, remember to bookmark or save it. Trust me, it'll make your future travel planning so much